Do y'all ever just wake up craving persimmon fig rose blossoms? Because I woke up this morning craving them. So let's make some. Hi friends, and welcome to my Audrylicious kitchen, where I show you beautiful, delicious creations from the heart. These are a sight to see and delicious for the taste buds. Not to mention, they're hella easy. So let's go. Fuyu. My grandpa's actually the farmer of these, and he refuses to tell women the name of them because they're called a persimmon, but the actual variety is called Fuyu, and he refuses to tell women Fuyu. So I just think that's sweet. This one in particular, I already cut in half, so I'm just gonna bite it. But you eat these like an apple, so. Oh, did you hear that? That could have been like one of those sound effects in a movie when you punch someone right in the jaw and their whole mouth goes like that.
We burned our mouth on camera. No, not sure. Just bite into it?
Oh! Alright, so there you have it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and live, laugh, love. My husband said, "What's with the live, laugh, love?" And I said, well, you know, everybody makes fun of live, laugh, love. Maybe if the world had more live, laugh, love, there'd be more live, laugh, and laughter. Wait, living, laughing, and love. Living, laughing, and love. So live, laugh, love.